how to enable live captions in Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll show you a guide on how to enable live captions in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So let's get started. First things first, open up the meeting that you have joined, and then you can see more option on the toolbar at the top right. Just tap on it, and then you can see language and speech. Tap on it and just tap on show live captions. And now whatever you speak in the meeting will be automatically transcribed in real time, showing captions at the bottom. So you can see captions will show in English. So this is what you have set. This is your spoken language in the Microsoft Teams. So now everything spoken in the meeting will be transcribed right here at the bottom. So live captions are particularly useful for accessibility, noisy environments, or when participants are joining from different countries. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.